we've had a moment of silence yesterday na naganap with Myanmar. And I'm sure na marami ka ring nakasama doon. Were you able to talk to them? Like, nakakausap mo pa rin ba sila until now, even though may matches kayo? Kamusta ang mga previous teammates mo from before?
Minsan nakaka-video call ko sila eh. Tapos, kung yung na-experience ko noon na 12 hours na may kuryente, ngayon talaga as in zero talaga. Wala talaga silang kuryente, kahit signal, wifi, data lang talaga ginagamit nila. And mas nakaka-proud din kasi kahit sa Scream, data lang din ginagamit nila. Ngayon, wala na talagang wifi.
And yet they're still able to compete, di ba? Kung may mensahe ka para sa lahat ng mga naging kakampi at naging mga manlalaro mo from Myanmar, what is it? And I'm sure they're watching right now.
Alome Menglaba, RCA, Falcon Esports ex-coach. I'm telling you guys that